Does Copilot keep showing up on your Windows 11 PC even after you've removed it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually remove the Microsoft Copilot app from Windows 11 rather than simply hiding its icon. Before we uninstall anything, let's clear up one common confusion. If you only want to get Copilot off your taskbar, you may unpin the icon from the taskbar or disable it from the taskbar settings, but that only hides the button. The Copilot app itself can still be installed on your PC. So, if your goal is to actually remove Copilot, hiding the icon isn't enough. We're going to remove the app itself. Let's start with the easiest method, and this is the one I recommend for most people. Open Settings, go to Apps, and then select Installed Apps. Now search for Copilot. You should see Microsoft Copilot in the results. And pay attention to the name here. We're talking about the standalone Microsoft Copilot app, the consumer chatbot. This is different from the Microsoft 365 Copilot experience you may see in applications such as Word, Excel, or through a work or school account. So make sure you're uninstalling the app you actually want to remove. Now, click the three dots next to Microsoft Copilot and select Uninstall. Confirm the removal. And that's it. The Microsoft Copilot app has now been removed from your Windows 11 installation. Microsoft currently documents this as one of the supported ways to remove the consumer Copilot app. For most home users, you can actually stop right here. If the normal uninstall option isn't available or isn't working, you can also remove the Copilot package through PowerShell. Open Start and search for PowerShell, right-click Windows PowerShell, and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when User Account Control appears. Now enter the following command: git-appexpackage-name, Microsoft.copilot, pipe remove-appexpackage. Press Enter. This removes the Microsoft Copilot AppX package for the current user. Microsoft also documents PowerShell as a supported removal method using the Copilot package name Microsoft.copilot. Once the command finishes, restart your computer. Now, if you're managing Windows PCs and you want something stronger than simply uninstalling the app, Microsoft provides an AppLocker-based method. You can check the Microsoft's guideline on how to do that. The link is in the description. This is an advanced solution and is primarily intended for managed devices, so I don't recommend that the average home user change AppLocker policies just to remove one app. Now let's talk about another setting you may find in newer Windows 11 tutorials. It's called Remove Microsoft Copilot App Group Policy. Search for Group Policy Editor and open it. Expand the User Configuration, Administrative Templates, and then Windows Components. Then on the right side, double-click on the Windows AI folder. You will see the Remove Microsoft Copilot App option. This policy sounds like a universal uninstall switch, but it isn't. Microsoft says it only applies when several conditions are met. Both Microsoft 365 Copilot and Microsoft Copilot need to be installed. The Microsoft Copilot app must not have been installed by the user, and the app must not have been launched within the previous 28 days. If those conditions are satisfied, enabling the policy can uninstall the Microsoft Copilot app. So if you manually installed Copilot yourself and then enable this policy, expecting it to immediately disappear, it may not do what you expect. This is a management policy with specific conditions, so for most personal PCs, you don't need it. You may also find older videos telling you to create registry values such as turn off Windows Copilot, or other registry tweaks designed to disable the old Windows Copilot experience. Be careful with those. Windows 11's Copilot experience has changed significantly. Microsoft says the old Turn Off Windows Copilot policy is a legacy setting and recommends using AppLocker instead for controlling the current consumer Copilot app. The legacy policy is also subject to deprecation, so I wouldn't recommend modifying the registry simply because an old tutorial tells you it will permanently remove Copilot. If you're using a current version of Windows 11, use the method that matches the current Copilot app. If this video helped you get rid of Copilot, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching.